this is how we made our eco-friendly Ganesha right from scratch. Hope this video helps you to make your own Ganesha. I will also share the link in the bio for the teacher who taught this and conducted this workshop with all inclusive material. It was really fun to do it with Naira, and Naira also did it pretty well, making her own little Ganeshi. And here there's a final look of how a Ganeshi looks. 1, 2 and 3. That's our my Ganeshi and hers. We then colored it and decorated it at her home with some flowers and some paper crafts. This is how we decorated Ganeshi in our homes, and lightened the diya with the spirit of holiness spreading in our houses. And this is also another glimpse of what Naira made with clay in the next video that is about to come. She designed this entire Ganeshi from clay from scratch with the help of a craft teacher, and this is how we decorated the plate. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you, and Ganapati Bappa Moria. Thank you for watching.